Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. She took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my art is in Havana. There's something about her manners, Havana, ooh na na. She didn't walk up with her, how you doing, when she came in, but said there's a lot of guys I can do with, but I can't without doing forever in a minute. That summer night and mama said she got Milo in her. She got me feeling like, ooh, I knew it when I met her. I loved her when I left her. Got me feeling like, ooh, and then I had to tell her I had to go. Nah, 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 man, it's a hot one. Like 7 inches from the midday sun. I hear you whispering the words to melt everyone, but you stay so cool. I'm on Nikita, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. Oh, you're my reason for a reason to stand in my groove. Yeah, and if you said this life ain't good enough, I would give my world to lift you up. I would change my life to better suit your mood, 'cause you're so smooth. And it's just like the ocean under the moon. It's the same as the emotion that I get from you. You got the kind of love that can be so smooth, yeah. Give me a heart, make it real. Let's forget about Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. She took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my art is in Havana. There's something about her manners, Havana, ooh na na. You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this song before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me, 'cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. Every time you hurt me, the less that I cry, and every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me, 'cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you.